Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you all are doing great. As you know, we have discussed many online earning platforms in our previous videos. I completely guide you how to earn money online, how to make money, how to withdraw that money. And I also guide you properly about how to create your account on the earning websites, how to register yourself on the earning website. Today I am here with a new video and a new earning platform. Probably you can say that a most famous online earning platform. But before starting this video, it's a humble request all of you to kindly subscribe this channel, like this video and hit the bell icon. That will inform you with the notifications of all my new videos on this channel. So if you have any question and any query about any topic and any point, you will ask any question in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. And also share your reviews about the videos in the comment section. So without wasting of time, we are proceeding further to start this video. First of all, you will have to open your Google Chrome on your mobile phone, on your PC, anywhere, and type here markez.com. Yeah, Markez. We are going to discuss about markez.com, how to earn money online through the Markez app. This is very important and the most asking question from the viewers. So what are the functions on the MARKEZ app is products, integrations, blogs, carriers, become a supplier or start selling. Here are the options you want to choose. With the increase in globalization and the rise of the internet, more and more people are looking for the ways to earn money online. There are several ways to do things from freelancing and writing to marketing and web design. However, not all of these methods are equally effective. When it comes to how earn money online, there are there are many different opportunities available out there. While some methods may require some upfront investment, others are free. Most newbies or even experienced professionals aim to work on platforms that require initial investment. Wondering how to earn money online, a platform that would require no initial investment is the Markez app. Let's walk you through all the ways you can make money through the Markez. The game changer in Pakistan. Start your business with zero investment. How to earn money through the Markez app. Download the app. If you have Android phone, then go to Play Store and download this app. And if you are the user of the iPhone, then go to Apple Store and download the app Markez. So sign up to become a reseller. Markez is a social commerce platform that encourages the resellers to earn from home after downloading the app. Signing up is easy, simply, and your phone numbers, and you will receive a 6-digit verification code once registered. You can add your business name and start selling products and services through the Markez app. Markez offers a great opportunity for resellers to earn income from home without having to invest in expensive inventory to rent storefront space. The app makes it easy to connect with the wholesalers and promoters your products and services. With Markez, you can reach a wide range of products to sell from the comfort of your home and comfort of your time. So also you will understand how to earn from Markez, how to register your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next as soon as possible.